Hi students of class 4. Today we will do one worksheet from the book. Page number 107 we will do today. So I will request everyone to open the book, page number 107, and take a pencil in your hand and get ready for the class. So let's start the class. This page we will do today. What we have in this page? First we have fill in the blanks, then we have matching, true and false, and writing the full form. Let's start. Processed data is called dash information. Internal memory is also called dash primary or main memory. The data is stored permanently in the ROM. You can double click on the computer icon to see all the files and folders stored in it. Now we will do matching. Data card, Blu-ray disc, 1024 KB, 0 and 1. This side we have binary digit, camera, 25 GB, 1 MB. Data card we have used in camera, so write A over here. Blu-ray disc, the size is 25 GB, write B over here. 1024 KB means 1 MB, write C over here. 0 and 1 are binary digits, write D beside binary digits. Next, Aero Pic is feature of Windows 7. True. Paint is a desktop gadget. False. Rather, Paint is an application software. There are 3 folders in the library folder in Windows 7. False. There are 4 folders: document, picture, video, and music. So there are 4 folders, not 3 folders. Sticky notes can only be placed on the desktop. True. Windows 7 is a GUI based operating system. True. Write the full form of the following acronyms. DVD, Digital Versatile Disc, or we can say Digital Video Disc. RAM, Random Access Memory. USB, Universal Serial Bus. ZB, Zettabyte. ZB, Zettabyte. GUI, Graphical User Interface. GUI, Graphical User Interface. This is the CW work of today. So, your HW work will be doing the worksheet in the book as we have done today with a pencil, and then send it to me at dpsahelpdesk@gmail.com for correction. If you have any query regarding today's class, please write in the comment box. I will reply you back. So stay at home, stay healthy, do your work. Don't forget to send it. Bye-bye.